Okay, so what I've done is already tried to light the pilot light. I put it here on pilot. You push this down, follow the directions though for safety, but eventually you push this down, you click this a bunch of times real fast, it's lighting up, and then the light goes out after 10-15 minutes. So it could be a lot of problems, but I'm going to change out the thermocouple maybe. First I'm just going to take a look and see. So I'm going to make sure everything is off here, all the way to off. Make sure this is all the way to the pilot lighting as far as it goes this way. And we'll get in here and see what's going on. I'm going to turn this so there's no gas going into it. Be real careful not to drop it. I'll remove this right up here. Okay. Just twist here. It'll come out here like this. Okay. And then right up here. Wrench, baby. There we go. And this will come right out here, just like that. This was really hard to pull out, but I pulled this one out. So this came out from here, just the holder, and then hold it in place. Pull this out here. New one in. Slide on the retainer. Okay.